morning, Year 1. Today we are going to be learning how to use a calendar to find out what day it is, what week we're in, or what month it is. Now, I know that everybody in Year 1 knows a song to help them with the days of the week and knows a song to tell them the different months of the year. So I'm sure that at home, maybe you could sing it with your family, you could look it up on YouTube. I'm not going to sing it sat here on my own. I'm very, very sorry, Year 1, but I know that you could find it or you could remember it to help you with your learning for today. First of all, to warm up your maths brains, what are the days of the week? How many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. What is the first day of the week? And some people say different things for this one. What is the first day of the week that we have learnt at school? The week starts on the first day of school, Monday, and then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Then the next 2 days we don't go to school, on Saturday and Sunday, and we call those the weekend because they end the week. They're the 2 days that we are not at school. Let's have a little look at them. We have got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. What do you notice about all of the days? Having a look at maybe the last 3 letters in each of those words, what do you notice about all of them? We've got a day. So all of the days of the week end with the word day. Next up, we have got the months of the year. And the first month of the year is January, which is a cold month. So here we've got we've got snowmen, we've got snow because it's in winter. Then February, where there's Valentine's Day, so we've got lots of hearts here. March, April, which is Easter. May, which is the month we are in now. June, July, August, we get to get into summer. September, which is where we start a new school year. So in September, we start a new year at school. October, there's Halloween. November, autumn, December, obviously Christmas and winter. So they are the months of the year. How many months are there in a year? Either you know or you can quickly count them up. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. I've run out of fingers. It's more than 10. November, December. There are 12 months in a year. What month is your birthday in? Can you find out the month that you were born? Could you find out the month that everybody in your family was born? What month are we in now? I did tell you that. See if you were listening. Do you know the different seasons as well? So we have all of the months there. There are 12 months, but there are only 4 seasons in the year. And 3 months fit in to each of those seasons. We've done it in science at the beginning of the year, so I wonder how many of you remember it. But let's move on for what we're looking at today. So here we have a calendar. It shows us 1 month, which is the month October, and it shows us that it was in the year 2014. So this was 6 years ago, 5.5 years ago now, that this month happened. So it's obviously October of a year, but this was October 2014. Now, as well as showing us that, it shows us the different days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Then we can see underneath there's all of these numbers. Now, each of these numbers shows us a date that happens in each month. So just like you all know the month you were born, so I was born in November, but I also know the date that I was born. It was the 4th of November. And the 4th shows us which number it is, the order of the number, the order of the day that it happened in that month. So Halloween is the 31st of October. So that is the 31st day to happen in the month of October. So that is down here. Ooh, this pen doesn't work very well. The 1st of October is this one. Now, the 1st of October wasn't a Monday because it's not in this Monday column. It wasn't a Tuesday because it's not in this Tuesday column. The 1st of October 2014 must have been a Wednesday. So the month started on a Wednesday. What day did the month of October end? So what's the last day in October? If we go all the way through, we can see the last day of October is the 31st of October. What day was that? That was on a Friday. What day was the 19th of October? So can you find 19th of October? They've just got the numbers, haven't they? They haven't got the after it. So 19. What day was that? Was on it Sunday. Okay, now a trickier question. Can you find the first Friday of the month? So here's our Friday column. I stands for Friday. What's the first Friday of the month? It must be this one here. So it was the 3rd of October. What about the second Friday of the month? So third Friday of the month was the 3rd of October was the first Friday. So we go along, we come down to the next Friday, which was the 10th of October. So this calendar page here shows us lots and lots and lots of things. It shows us each date in October, and it shows us the days of the week that they happen on. So we go the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th was a Sunday, which means after Sunday's Monday, we jump over here. The 6th is a Monday. 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. And then after the 12th, which is a Sunday, we jump back down again over here to the 13th, which must be a Monday. Okay, have a look on the board. What do you think this shows us then? So we just looked before at October, but now we have got all of the year of 2014. Every month from 2014, we have them all here. So we can see the first day of 2014 would be the 1st of January. Let's get my pen. The 1st of January over here, which was a Wednesday. Then we'd go all the way through all these weeks in January until we end it. The 31st of January was a Friday, which means when we finish January, we go on to the 1st of February, which must be a Saturday because it comes after Friday and it goes all the way through. Now, there's lots and lots and lots of things that we could talk about here. For example, we can see how many days there are in each month. January has 31 because it goes up to 31st. February only has 28. March has 31. April has 30. May has 31st. 30, 31, 31, 30, 31, 30, 31. What do you notice about all of those numbers? There are two numbers that come up lots and lots and lots. And there's one number there that only comes up once. I wonder if anyone knows anything about February, which is a very special month. I know this year was a very, very special year because it was a leap year. I wonder if anyone knows anything about that and what that means for February. Here, it's got 28 days, but sometimes it has 29 days and we call it a leap year. I know that was a very special day this year because we had a leap year this year. And for Isla in linen class, it was her grandma's, I think, great-grandma's 100th birthday on that day, which is very, very exciting. So there's lots of things we can see. I wonder if on this you could find your birthday and find out the day of the week that you were born, or it was your first birthday, maybe. Can you find your birthday on here? What day of the week was it? Can you find other people in your family's birthday? What day of the week was it? And all sorts. But let's have a little look now at your learning for today. This is an optional activity that you can do, an extra activity, but you could write out all of the months of the year. So maybe you could find them somewhere, have a go at writing them out, copying them out, trying to spell them correctly. Remember, they're all proper nouns. They need to start with a capital letter for all of the months of the year. And then you can turn them all over and you need to turn each one over and try and put it in order where it comes in the year, starting with January and ending with December. You could do the same thing with the days of the week as well for an extra challenge. And then this is your work for today, page 112 in your workbook. And this time, instead of it being October, you've got December 2014, and you've got this page of the calendar. You have got these questions to do here. We're going to do a couple of them together. So the first one says, colour the 8th day of the month blue. So we can see here the first day of the month where there's a number 1. The second, there's a number 2. The third is a number 3. The fourth is a number 4. The fifth is a number 5. The sixth is a number 6. And we can see a pattern, can't we? So for the 8th day, we must be looking for the number 8. And we must colour it in blue. I found the 8 here. So it was a Monday, Sunday of the month, and I've coloured it in blue. Colour the 20 December 2014. So the 20th of December, green. Can you find the 20th of December? So we're looking for our 20 in here. Our 20 is here. We can look up, that was a Saturday. Now, colour the 3rd week of the month orange. Let's find an orange first. The 3rd week of the month. Now, we've looked at going across, which shows us different days. This is a week. Each row here is a week going across. The Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. That means 1 week has passed. So the first row going all the way across, that's week 1. Underneath it going all the way across, that's week 2. So this one here going all the way across must be week 3. And I'm sure you'll do this much neater than I will. Remember, if you don't have the right colours, it doesn't matter at all, as long as you know what it means. Maybe underneath, if you didn't have orange and use different colour, you could just do a line underneath to show us what colour you used. Something, December 2014, is the first Sunday of the month. Which column shows me Sunday? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday. The is the first Sunday of the month. What's the first Sunday I get to? It must be this top one, so it'd be the 7th. Now, you could either just write 7, or we've learnt these. 7th, it's the last 2 letters. 7th. And December 2014 is the last Monday of the month. Now, the first is the first Monday. We want the last Monday. So it's right down at the bottom down here, the 29th. And on the next ones, you're looking for which day. The 3rd of December is what day is it? Is it a Monday, a Tuesday, a Wednesday, a Thursday? And so on. I've done lots of those for you. So you need to get rid of this and have a go on your own now. Good luck. You don't need to show us what you've done today. Tomorrow, there won't be a video, but we will put up a little bit, maybe a PDF or something to help you. And it is due it. And you need to do the final review for this whole chapter. And can you send us a photo, please? But information for that will come tomorrow. But there will be no video because there is no new teaching for it. Good luck, have fun, and see you next week.